Rhubarb, scientifically known as rhubarb, is a perennial plant that is commonly grown for its edible stalks. Often considered a vegetable but used primarily in sweet dishes, rhubarb has a tart flavor that pairs well with sugar in pies, jams, and other desserts. Rhubarb farming involves the cultivation, care, and harvest of this unique plant, taking into account factors such as soil preparation, planting, maintenance, and harvesting techniques. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Site selection and soil preparation. Rhubarb thrives in well-drained, fertile soil with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5. The site should receive at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Prepare the soil by adding compost or well-rotted manure before planting to improve its nutrient content and structure. Propagation. Rhubarb is typically propagated through crowns or divisions. Crowns are sections of mature rhubarb plants that include both the roots and the growing points, which are the buds from which new shoots will emerge. Planting. Plant rhubarb crowns in early spring or fall, ensuring they are placed about 3 to 4 feet apart to allow sufficient space for growth. The crown should be placed just below the soil surface with the growing points above ground. Watering. Rhubarb requires consistent moisture, especially during its active growth periods. However, it's important not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. Fertilization. Apply a balanced fertilizer in early spring and again after harvesting to provide essential nutrients for growth. Mulching. Apply mulch around the plants to help retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and maintain a more even soil temperature. Pest and disease management. Keep an eye out for pests like aphids and diseases such as crown rot. Proper sanitation and cultural practices can help prevent and manage these issues. Harvesting rhubarb. Rhubarb stalks can be harvested starting in the second year after planting. To harvest, grasp the stalk near the base and gently twist or pull it away from the crown. Only harvest about 1/3 of the stalks from a plant at a time to ensure the plant's continued health and growth. Avoid harvesting the stalks in late summer to allow the plant to build up energy for the winter. Conclusion. Rhubarb farming offers a unique opportunity to cultivate a perennial plant prized for its tart and tangy stalks. By selecting a suitable site, preparing the soil, and following proper planting and care practices, farmers can enjoy a steady harvest of rhubarb for use in a variety of culinary delights. The resilience of rhubarb as a perennial adds to its appeal, making it a reliable addition to any garden or small farm. With its distinctive flavor and versatile use in both sweet and savory dishes, rhubarb remains a beloved choice among gardeners and chefs alike, offering a delicious touch of tartness to a range of culinary creations. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.